The on-task category. On task is a very useful effort category because being on task is what we ask students to do more than anything else. The antecedent is the teacher explaining the learning task or activity. The behavior we are expecting from all students is that they stay focused and on task. The consequence is a PIC. If they meet expectations, their score will be positive. Final scoring will occur immediately at or near the end of the time allotted. And when scoring effort is routinely done in a class, students will believe that it is certain to occur, meaning there is a high probability. Recall that PICs have the highest reinforcing power. Here's an example of how to score student effort. Students are working on a group quiz. When all groups have begun the assignment, the teacher checks the settings of the effort scoring app's on task category. Depending on how much time the students are being given to complete an assignment, the teacher may choose to raise or lower the point value of a scoring event by clicking on the Points button. Instead, the teacher opens the menu and selects the subcategory Practice Quiz and the seating named Purple. The menu bar now shows that students are assigned to their purple groups and that effort scores will be recorded to an on-task subcategory called Practice Quiz. The maximum point value is 30. The point value was set when the subcategory was created via the teacher dashboard. This point value is not locked. It can be changed before scoring begins. Most students will be scored at or near the end of the learning task using the Score All Students button. Until using the Score All Students button, only score students whose effort level is below full credit. These are preliminary scores that may be adjusted at any time. For example, Bobby was the student who chose to go to the wrong seat, and these two students had to be told to stop talking during directions. The teacher's goal is to make numerous circuits through the groups to answer questions, to encourage positive behavior, and to redirect off-task behavior. It's a good idea to vary the starting point of each circuit and perhaps the direction. The first circuit is relatively quick, just checking to be sure everyone has started and cooperative group roles have been assigned. Not enough time has passed to give any comments on sustained effort. As more time passes, positive teacher comments will carry more weight. The teacher circulating and commenting to students is very important because in addition to effort scoring, teacher comments are also consequences of student behavior. In fact, teacher comments act both as consequences of current behavior and as an antecedent to either continue current behavior, PIC, or change current behavior, NIC. Students will perceive teacher comments as hints to their current effort score. By putting the focus on student effort, teachers will find it easier to promote grit and a growth mindset and to urge off-task students to apply themselves. Is everyone on number 2 yet? All right, good job, Group 3.
How am I doing now?
Looks like you're doing great, Bobby. Keep it up. But I won't be able to give you full effort credit. Do you know why?
Because I didn't go to my seat right away?
Correct, but keep it going with your good effort. This entire group is doing great. Getting the attention of a student or a group and giving a nonverbal message is also very effective. I'm happy to see this group attacking number 5. Be careful, it's challenging. We'll get it, Coach. Landon, why haven't you started yet? What's this? You're working on science now? But it's due next hour. Doesn't matter. I need you to focus on language arts. I'll keep this until class is over. The teacher moves on to give Landon a chance to get back on task and enters a low score in the effort scoring app. This score will be raised if Landon chooses to stay focused on language arts for the rest of the class period. At or near the end of the allotted time, the teacher makes adjustments to scores already entered. All the students except Kayla stayed on task, so the teacher raises their scores, but not to full credit. Maximum effort for most students will look similar, but students should be scored on the basis of their own capabilities. The teacher then selects the Score All Students button, and since most of the class deserves full credit, selects the 30-point option. The teacher then makes changes on a few students that did not quite meet their full effort capabilities. See also Screencast PD Part 2, How to Score Student Effort. Go to eforeffort.com and select the PD tab. The On Task category section is about 2 minutes longer than this screencast.